Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we're not in a gym setting. We have been slacking off the videos, and there is a reason why, because Jules, as you can see, is fixing his car, and obviously without a car it is quite hard to get to places, obviously, without a car. So now he's trying to fix his car right before uni, and obviously to make filming much more easier on both ends. So we do want to apologize for the lack of videos, but after his car is fixed, we will have more gym reviews, and for now, we're just going to show you of him fixing his car today. Anyways, yep, I'll show you, see you soon. Okay, so what are we doing right now?
Changing the spark plugs. I want to do a whole major service on it. I don't want to break down anywhere. I'm going from work or to uni. So, last thing I want is for anything to go wrong. Doing spark plugs right now. Also going to be doing engine oil filter.
Okay, but for people who don't know, what are spark plugs for?
Spark plugs for are starting the motor, getting spark to the engine. To start an engine, you need three things: air, fuel, and spark. So if you don't have good spark, the car doesn't start very well, or the whole engine actually doesn't run very well. As you can see, so a lot of carbon built up on that, a lot of rust too. But mainly the carbon's the issue. Also going to do a gearbox service. Also got to change the clutch master cylinder. It's got a bad leak from there, and I've got to change the pipe as well. Whoever assembled this last time, I don't know what they were doing, but they damaged a lot of shit. A lot of shit.
What do you call that? Backyard mechanic?
I'd call that like 10 levels below that. Also going to change some engine mounts today. Changed 2 out of 6 already, so 4 to go. It'll be a pretty big job, but can't wait till it's done. I'll guide you through it in a sec.
Alright, so what did you just take out?
The radiator fan. Now we've got all the room in the world to get to this engine mount. This is the engine mount. Not long till it comes out. This is probably, I don't know, this one's gonna be just as bad as the back one, so I guess we'll see. Got another one down there. Probably be hard to see. Better to get from underneath.
Yeah.
Show you later. Oh, you can see it. It's there.
Oh, yep. It's the one that looks like a handle.
Yeah, it's like some bent
It's
thing.
really dark, but that's the other engine mount.
Yeah, this car is pretty battered, not gonna lie. Just needs some love.
TLC.
TLC.
And
We're Michael Jackson fans.
what? Alright. Alright, so what are you holding?
Snap-on 3/8 gun, 18 volts.
And how many hands do you use to use this? Or should we just ask Jordan?
Jordan Devine. Why not ask him, eh? 15.
That's a big contraption.
Four of these bolts kicking it in. That's what wobbly bit extensions are good for, on angle. size. It appears it is. That is interesting. Why would there be a different size bolt there? Makes you think whether it's someone else who placed it wrong, or yeah, it's odd. Definitely odd. Jap cars shouldn't be 13mm.
Why?
You mainly see them in European cars, only 13mm. Just my experience, I just know. And yeah, it's a 13mm, so that is definitely sus, I'll tell you that much. And look, it's a different coloured bolt too, so even more sus.
Alright, so what do we have here?
Got the engine mount out.
So that's obviously the really disgusting one, yucky one, that's the old one.
It's munted.
Yeah, and this is the new one. I'll show, as you can see how it looks a bit kind of broken up there, over here and here, so clearly need a replacement. And that's the new one.
Badly.
Oh, I can barely see it. There you go. It's really hard to show in videos, to be honest. But there she is.
I wonder if the back one will be just as annoying.
We'll find out when we get there.
We may need to do a trip to Rapco today, but we'll see.
For what?
Buy some brake cleaner.
That's like to clean all that gunk off the floor.
Yeah, buy some coolant. What else do I need? That's it for now. Maybe some brake fluid I might buy. Might bleed the brakes as well today. Maybe not today, maybe another day, but we'll see.
To be honest, I'm recording, but I can't see jack shit either.
Yeah, I can't see anything either. That's what being a mechanic's all about. Just getting your hands in there and feeling. It's not about what you see.
Oh, what Luke said? PFM. What does that stand for?
PFM.
Yeah.
What does that stand for? What does that stand for?
Pure fucking magic.
Oh, Lukey.
Alright, so what is this doing right now?
This is bolting the mount directly to the engine, and the other 4 bolts that go to the bottom, that goes to the chassis or the subframe, which is the bottom of the car.
Okay, for the people who don't know, why are engine mounts crucial to a car?
Well, self-explanatory, they mount the engine to the car, and they're pretty much made out of rubber so they can absorb impact when you're driving. That's coming up.
And I would know that because my engine mounts on my Jazz were atrocious and the driving experience was not that great.
Yeah, I did them for you back in October. Also on my Instagram if you want to check it out. Should tighten.
Where is that located?
Underneath the gearbox, both of them. And we got one more at the back.
Alright, so what are we doing right now?
Doing the rear engine mount.
I can't see anything, so
Yeah, I can't see much. I'm just feeling.
this is as much as I can show you guys.
Slam my hand on something. Should be right.
You can see the veins coming out of your head too.
Yep, I can imagine. Not number one. Not number two. These are the bolts that go from the engine mount. You're never gonna see it.
Well, I'll show what I can.
So I'm loosening the bolts that go from the engine mount to the subframe. Let's see how we go with this. Close. Mission accomplished.
After what, many multiple tries of different contraptions.
Yep, and a lot of tool swapping and combinations. We got there. That's why tools are important. The less tools you have, the less you can do. Unless you're a magician. There are some mechanics out there that do some crazy things with limited tools. That sits on the subframe, and the engine sits here. It goes to that whole bolt hole. Right now I'm getting these 4 bolts off. Mission accomplished. Taking those 4 bolts, we'll loosen them. That bolt left. There you go. These spanners, so good.
He just yeeted his spanner. Oh god, now we're climbing, alright.
Can't wait till this is done so we can continue trim reviews.
There we go.
And as you can see, broken. It was legit inside like that.
Wow.
Look closely, the whole thing's actually bent down. So it wasn't even holding the engine up anymore, it was just crushing it. Look side by side.
See how this is like a bit more straight, this one it's like curving in?
Mm-hmm.
The more you know.
In the same way you can out. Pump the engine up a bit more.
Alright, so now on Repco to get a few things. What do we need?
Brake cleaner, coolant, hand soap, brake fluid, brake cleaner. How's it going, guys? Do you guys need a hand with anything? Where's the coolant at?
Alright, that's what we're trying to look for.
Hand cleaner. It's cream. I reckon this is the best one to go with, to be honest. It's in a bottle like this. I don't know. If you're squeezing it out, it's generally not thick, and you need it to be thick. Oh look, they got flavours.
Okay, we're not gonna eat our hand soap, doesn't matter.
Oh, what if I get hungry?
No.
I was like, he gave me the biggest look, like, okay, like when I show my trade card, like, oh, I'm not actually a mechanic. What do you reckon? Did you hear the way he said it?
Yeah, he was just like, okay. It's kind of like weird flex, but okay.
Why is that a weird flex? I thought I was want it cheaper.
Alright, good news. The rear mount has been placed in and now we're just tying it up. And then now we only have 2 more left after this, which is the more easier ones.
Yeah, I have been driving this car in some pretty bad circumstances. So, clutch no good, engine mount's no good, flat tyre.
Alright, so we're finished for second mount. Now we're on to the third and fourth,
Yep.
which are pretty easy because easy access, it's right there, neither wheel. The lighting's so bad here, I'm sorry guys.
Too easy. This mount's not too bad, but it was going.
But if you're replacing one mount, you might as well just replace all of it.
Yep. They'll all have the same lifetime. Oh, that's tight. Yep. Number 1 going in, in, 2, in. I'm just gonna line them up.
Also, shout out to me, because I know nothing about cars and I sourced the correct mount.
Yep. My busy lifestyle. So good thing I have a saviour for me to find these mounts. Just doing everything in by hand right now.
That one's really hard to see.
Yeah, that's alright. Putting all the bolts in. I actually think I haven't gotten this dirty since I've quit being a mechanic, to be honest. Now that everything's kind of in, I can stop supporting the motor.
Just don't roll my phone, please.
Did I run it over?
No!
Are we gonna eat Korean barbecue later?
Maybe. Guess you're gonna see in the video.
Yeah, it's gonna be good if we do go. Cool.
I want to see even if a crack I got that from anyways.
Ladies and gentlemen, all the mounts are done. Probably the hardest thing of the car to do, so pretty happy right now. Got nice and dirty at the end.
Alright, now onto the easy stuff. Spark plugs.
Yep, already took them out before. Just putting the new ones in now.
Alright guys, so we made it to the city because we're eating Korean barbecue. Unfortunately, we didn't finish the whole entire car what we planned to. We, as in Jules, because we're waiting on some parts and need more time.
Picking it up tomorrow after I finish work from Smithfield. And I'm from Smithfield. Shout out to the West.
And then we'll have a whole entire new car, not new car, but it would feel like brand new. But one good thing is that he did finish all
the engine mounts.
Yes, I had a mind blank. It's been a long day.
You love this hill, don't you?
No, this hill is fucked up. I can't even see what I'm recording.
Yeah, I think it's it.
But I'm currently dying walking up this steep ass hill. And then I will show you guys when we get to Korean barbecue. We're going to our usual place, which we haven't really shown on any of our vlogs and videos. But apologies to our gym viewers, we are very sorry if you're coming here to watch our gym videos, but for those who do love cars
and Korean barbecue,
yep, you'll enjoy this video. And for those who enjoy our gym videos, I'm like out of breath. Gym reviews are coming soon because the car's about to get fixed.
Alright, we're approaching it. Oh yeah,
Would you like to do a buffet, guys?
Oh yes, please. Alright, so you have to scan this for the menu.
We got all the Wagyu, we got my sweet potato. Ah yes. We got her bowl of rice, we got sugar, Coke.
Happy.
This is the party.
Happy to eat.
Alright, let's get started.
The video kind of ended short because our memory card filled up, but we have to use our other SD card and we're finishing it off now. So as you can see, we ate a lot of food at Korean barbecue from what you guys could see. And we're ending our night. Oh, you can barely see Jules. We're ending our night and we're going home because it's been a very long day. Like we said before, we're waiting on other parts to complete the whole entire car, which Jules will probably show you if I'm not there, but hopefully we'll have a car by the end of this week.
And once we do, more reviews to come.
Yep, so stay tuned. See you later.
Bye.
Bye.